Hi, I'm Camilla Blossom Bishop from Earth School. During key points in my life, I've had these amazing experiences when an elemental has come forward and shaped my life for the next few years. My work, my career, my life path. That includes working with fairies and devas and creating flower essences and a flower essence business based on that. I've worked with, after a mermaid appeared, working with the waters and traveling on behalf of water, doing ceremony, teachings, ancestral healing work throughout the western US and Southwest. I've also been called by the gnomes, the blue elf, the earth elementals to create a garden, a Fintorn-like nature sanctuary in Oregon, to really work with the beings of nature, the plants, the trees, the portals of Mother Earth, and do more land work, land clearing and honoring, including the ancestors of land as well. And then I was called to move to Hawaii right when the Big Island, the volcano was erupting. So I was initiated into the fire of Pele and the dragons. So I've had very interesting experiences along the way in my life, and now I'm called to have been called to open Earth School and work with more people to share these teachings, share these transmissions, help people connect with others in community so we can forward this evolution that we're all on and bring a greater sense of oneness, especially related to nature and how we embody and connect and co-create in relationship with all these different subtle energy beings. So I'm thrilled that I'll be coming to the Fairy Congress once again. I've been coming for about 18 years and presenting quite a bit on anything from mermaids to flower essences to land healing. So I'm thrilled to come back this year, 2020, and celebrate with everyone. It's such an amazing, fun event, a family event, an event where you can really enrich your own experiences of connecting with nature, with these beings, with your own self. And it's really a life-changing experience, I think, every time I've gone, and from what I hear from others. So I invite you to join us. I will be doing a workshop. The fire dragons are really calling forward to help us really step into our consciousness, into this new earth, into our power. And so they've been asking me to connect us more with magic Kundalini. And I don't know about you, but my experience of trying to learn more about Kundalini has been met with reading or researching or looking at these experiences that really don't have anything to do with what I experience. And so I think it's really important for all of us to go within and learn about our own creative life force, learn about our own Kundalini, feel and experience that. What is that? How does it connect us with our creativity, our manifestation abilities, our new consciousness here? How do we work with it? How do we work with the fire dragons? So the Council of the Fire Dragon is wanting us to gather and explore our magic Kundalini, and not just for our own personal healing, but how it connects in with the wholeness of Mother Earth and the awakening for all. And so I'm really excited to share that and to see you there. I hope you'll join us and celebrate, have fun, learn some new things, and be part of this beautiful opening to oneness of the new earth. See you then.